Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best long-distance friendship keychain, a charming and thoughtful gift designed to celebrate friendship no matter the miles apart. This keychain isn't just a simple accessory. It carries a heartfelt message that connects friends across distances with humor and warmth. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this keychain offers a classic silver finish that shines with a noble luster and a texture that feels substantial yet elegant. Its design is both timeless and meaningful, featuring a playful inscription that reads, "I hope we're friends until we die. And then I hope we stay ghost friends and walk through walls and scare the out of people." This quirky and sweet phrase perfectly captures the essence of enduring friendship with a fun twist. Measuring compactly at about 2 inches, it fits comfortably on your keyring, backpack, or purse, making it a daily reminder of the special bond shared with a best friend. Despite its small size, the keychain carries a strong message that resonates with innocence and the kind of unchanging loyalty that true friendship offers. The craftsmanship shines through with attention to detail. The stainless steel material is resistant to bending, breaking, or tarnishing. This ensures that just like your friendship, the keychain will remain intact and beautiful through the years. It's an ideal keepsake for those wanting to show appreciation for a friend's presence in their life, making it perfect for birthdays, holidays like Christmas and Halloween, office parties, or simply as a spontaneous gift. Not only is it a physical token of affection, but the keychain also serves as a fun piece of jewelry with its cute ghost charm that adds a touch of whimsy. Its charming design balances humor and sentimentality, making it a versatile gift for women friends, sisters, coworkers, or anyone who treasures friendship. Packaging is thoughtful too. The keychain comes in a small gift bag, ready to be gifted without extra hassle. This makes it convenient for last-minute gift ideas and adds a nice touch to the presentation, enhancing the overall gifting experience. In terms of usability, this keychain is practical yet meaningful. You can carry it everywhere or gift it as a symbol of long-distance friendship, reminding someone special that no matter where life takes you, your connection remains strong. It's lightweight and sturdy, ensuring it won't add bulk but will still stand out as a conversation piece. Overall, this best long-distance friendship keychain brings together quality, style, and heartfelt emotion in one small, affordable package. It's more than just a keychain. It's a reminder of laughter, shared memories, and the promise of lifelong friendship. If you're looking for a gift that combines humor with a warm message, this keychain is an excellent choice. It's a simple but powerful way to keep friends close, even when they are miles away. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.